Hello viewers, in this video I will show no nearby Bluetooth device were found problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Press on power button, click on reset, tap to reset on your phone. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, click on three dot menu, click on reset app preference and click on reset app. Now swipe down notification panel and turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.